Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion cute. We'll dive into simple yet effective ways to transform your workspace from functional to fabulous. You can easily add a touch of your personality, making your daily tasks more enjoyable and visually appealing. Imagine a Notion setup that truly sparks joy every time you open it, guiding you through your projects with a smile. Let's get started on crafting your perfectly adorable digital space. First, let's talk about making your Notion pages visually pop. You can easily change page icons to fun emojis or upload custom images, giving each page a distinct personality. Don't forget the cover photos. They are a fantastic way to set the mood for your entire workspace. Playing with different font styles can also add a unique touch, making your text more engaging and aesthetically pleasing. A cohesive color palette ties everything together beautifully. Next, let's explore how to organize your Notion pages with a cute twist. Using column layouts makes content easier to digest and more visually appealing. Try incorporating toggle lists and callout blocks to keep information tidy and accessible, preventing clutter. Decorative dividers and banners are excellent for adding visual breaks and a touch of flair. Plus, embedding fun widgets like a custom clock or a mini Spotify player brings your workspace to life. Finally, let's infuse some dynamic charm into your Notion. Animated GIF are a fantastic way to add a playful touch and express your mood or page theme. Think about using digital stickers or small illustrations to highlight important sections or simply add a cute accent. Don't hesitate to explore the vast community of Notion users for pre-made templates and endless inspiration. Remember, refreshing your aesthetic every few months keeps your workspace feeling new and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.